Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. It's been quite a while since I did a shopping haul video. My birthday was a couple of weeks ago, so for my birthday, my husband took me up to Blueridge, Georgia. It's just a couple of hours from here, and I love going there, going to the little town of Ella J, and going to the Amish store, the orchards, and everything. So, I just thought I'd show what we got while there. I'm not saying the name right probably, but Mercier Orchards. Ricky got him some boiled peanuts. And, let's see. I got two of these are pecan pie fried pies. And these are the best things. So I got me two of those. There will be a video coming soon because I'm going to make them. They're so good. And then this popcorn. I love this popcorn. And these are like $1 bag for the tiny. They are the like medium white hulless right here. And got some of the lady finger. They're the real small type that pops real small but hulless. And then just some another lady fingers. They are so good. I put that in my whirly pot. And then just got some of the buttery topping. And a little container of fudge. It's got a little spoon in there. But we was going to get some apples, but the Fuji apples wasn't in season. And that's some that my son wanted. And so, we went right here in the little town of Blueridge where you walk around to the olive oil company. I love going there. They have all different kinds of infused olive oils with flavors and the balsamic vinegars with the different flavors. And I've gotten this before. You can try it all in there. But this is strawberry balsamic vinegar, and it is so good. I just love to pour up a little bit of this on some bread and eat it. It is so good. Get out of my sack. And so, got some of that. I like to make my vinaigrettes. And while in that town, I think it's called Huck's General Store. They have a little general store that sells all the little candies and stuff. Got just a bunch of different little bits of candies. I've never tried the Yoo-Hoo candy. So I got some of that. And I love the cowtails. Let me get all this back in my sack because of my cats. And yes, my cats are checking out what I got. And it's okay. And then at the Amish store, I went there. They're the only place I know that sells, you know, like the dehydrated, freeze-dried marshmallows, like the cereal marshmallows. I don't like the texture of regular marshmallows, but I love the dehydrated kind. They didn't have any in. And last year when we went, my mom got some, it's a cucumber dip mix that you mix it with sour cream. That stuff was so good, but they didn't have any of that. But their herb bin, y'all gonna laugh. I got two things of the dried parsley because y'all know how I love it. One was 89 cents and one was $1.16. And then I just got some paprika. They didn't have the other stuff I went for. And I think that's about it. We went and ate at one of the restaurants that we like there called The Village. I have a little vegetable buffet and stuff. It's really good. And my mom and my stepdad followed us up there, and so we got to spend the day with them. And at the orchard, you can go, they have all kind of stuff you can try and sample, and we just have a good time there. We didn't go apple picking because it's still in the high 90s, and it's hot outside. So, but it was just, I just love going there and just the little town and stuff, and we had a good time. So, that's about it. And I'm going to go online and try to find me some of those cereal marshmallows. So, thanks for watching. Sorry the videos ain't been coming a lot. As y'all know, I've got a lot going on. Got new kittens again and everything. And just been real busy. Been kind of real sick for a while and everything. So just still trying to get back into the swing of things. But I'll eventually get to going. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all of your love and support. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.